This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so here in this you will find launch VM. This is a trial version given by Microsoft. So whoever is not installed in your laptop, for temporary purpose you can use it. This link I have already provided in the WhatsApp group. Just I'm showing you like how to log in this trial version. So it is preparing your lab. Okay, so the server, it is on this part, it is preparing. It may take 2-3 minutes time. So whenever first time you are logging in, at that time it will ask you your credentials. I mean to say, you need to sign up like Google Meet, Google or Yahoo, whatever you are doing, the same thing you need to do it. So instructions, next resources. In this administrator, it is there already, username, and you need to enter password. You cannot type here, so you need to click on T. Then it is opening. So don't do anything. It is creating, it is building lab mission. It is building lab mission. So it is writing the code. No need to do anything. Don't close or don't do anything. Keep like this as it is. Okay, it may take maybe another 2-3 minutes, but if you observe here, it is 2 hours. Means this lab is valid up to 2 hours only. After that, it will be refreshed. After that, it will be refreshed. So that is the reason I told you, like, it is only for temporary purpose. It is better to install in your laptop. Okay, this is for temporary purpose. And the screen is little bit, so you can click on here and you can minimize like this. Then the screen will be little bit enlarged. So don't do anything. System will automatically open Edge. So it will close all these things and it will open Edge automatically. No need to do anything. This is for temporary purpose. For temporary purpose, you can use this function. So it may take another 1 minute and then it will be open the internet like Edge, Microsoft Edge. So I hope everyone is started practicing with the system. So your task is creating a sales order, creating a purchase order, creating a release product, one item, release product, customer and vendor. These 5 forms only we need to practice. Okay, let me close this one. Let me open Notepad. I'm saving this file. So you need to practice. One is purchase order process. Next one is sales order process. Next, released product, then customer creation, vendor creation. It is opening the file. Okay, so here it is asking email, phone, Skype. We have logged in this environment using this administrator and password. Now to open this application, you need to use this username. So not this one, this username T, the middle one. If you click on T, it will write automatically the name, username. Okay, don't click anywhere. You need to enter username. Next, click on next, and then enter password. Like click on T, it will open the password. So click on sign in. So no need to save something, not required. Leave it. No. It will open the application automatically. Okay, and this lab is valid up to 2 hours only. Up to 2 hours. After that, it will be closed. Once again, if you open new one, it will be new one, and whatever you have entered the data, that will not be there. Okay, now if you look at this one, this is latest version. If you click on about, it is 10.0.21, not the latest actually. It is also 3-4 months back. 10.0.21. Current version is 10.0.24. So this version is 10.0.21. That is platform updates 45. Platform updates 45. Fine. And if you open this one in your environment, if you go to feature management, if you go to feature management, workspace, feature management workspace, here if you go to all, credit management, credit management, it is this credit management is enabled. Disable this one, disable this one. What is that credit management? Why we have disabled everything? You will understand slowly. You will understand slowly what is the purpose, why we need to disable these things. I will explain you later. Okay, fine. Now to close this form, we don't have anything, so you can click on home. It will go to home page. Okay, fine. Yesterday we learned about purchase order process, partial receipt. Partial receipt means we have created a purchase order and we did like a partial receipt for 5 quantity and partial receipt for 7 quantity, partial receipt for 8 quantity separately, and 5, 7 together we did invoice. In the same manner, try to understand about the sales order process, the same feature. So sales and marketing module, sales and marketing module, collapse all, sales orders, all sales orders. Okay, fine. Now once it is done, you can create a new sales order by clicking new button. Click on new button. Select the customer. Select the customer. So while doing this one, don't select DE001. Don't select DE001. Why? DE001 is intercompany stock transfer. Intercompany stock transfer. So it will have different function, different functionality. Okay. So don't select DE001. Select any customer, no problem. And then general tab, site and warehouse. You can click on OK. Okay. So you can select item. You can select item. So for better understanding, you can create a new item and you can verify. Okay, I'm creating a new item by duplicate. So how to create an item master means product information management, products, you can collapse all products, released products, released products. So click on new and whatever the item code you want, you can give. Suppose I'm giving yes 401. I'm creating it. Suppose chairs. Okay. After that, you need to map storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item model group, item group. So item model group, I'm taking FIFO. Don't select expense item. Don't select expense item. There is expense. I will discuss with you this one. What is the purpose later? FIFO. Item group. Anyone you can select, but better to select second one. Everything is second one. Next, tracking dimension group. Tracking dimension group. I'm mapping none. Here, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit, all are each. And purchase price, sales price, cost price, it is there. Suppose I'm entering purchase price $50, sales price $80, and purchase inventory price also 50. I'm entering. Your wish, you can enter whatever the way you want. Click OK. Okay, for this item, if you go to manage inventory, on hand inventory, it is empty. It is nothing. Okay, because we have created new item. Now I'm creating a sales order. So for this item, whatever I have created just now, yes, 401 item I'm selecting. So I'm entering 20 quantity. I'm entering 20 quantity. Now it is taking some time, a minute. It is taking a minute. Okay, now it is updated price and everything. So you can click on save button. For sales order, sales quotation, auto save is not working. For remaining, it will work. Only for sales quotation and sales order, auto save will not work. You need to click on save button. Next, pick and pack tab. So post packing slip. Post packing slip. Now, just like yesterday, whatever the way we did it. So I'm delivering 5 quantity now. So here in this screen, in the purchase order, receive now is there. In this delivery now. Give me a minute. Here delivery now is there. First I'm delivering 5 quantity because so I want to deliver 5. Now do we have any stock in this on hand inventory? Do we have on-hand inventory in our warehouse?
No.
Anyone, please? No.
No.
So can we sell? Can we sell this material? I mean to say, can we dispatch the material to the customer?
No.
No. So how can we get the material? If you want to get the material, what is the procedure?
Purchase order.
We have to purchase. We have to purchase.
Purchase.
Otherwise, we have to purchase means purchase order. Another one is one more option, which is you are going to learn journals, inventory management. Okay, here journal entries, movement journal. You need to enter movement journal. Movement journal means it is opening stock entry. Inventory adjustment journal also you can use it. Either one you can use it. Okay. In detail, you will understand what is the difference between these two journals in future. Now, movement journal. I'm creating movement journal. Movement journal means it is opening stock. So I'm clicking on new. Select the journal name. Select the warehouse. Journal name is automatically populated. I'm selecting warehouse. Click OK. Click on new. Select the item S401. Suppose I'm doing for 100 quantity. So I need to enter offset account 140100. This is on hand inventory account. I'm mapping. Now click on post button. So click OK. Now if you verify on hand inventory, yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
That offset main account in a real time, can we assign to be automatically selected, rather we enter it here in the movement journal?
It will not be automatic. You need to enter manually. That you need to collect from the finance consultant, because it is what is the account it should be. We need to collect from the finance consultant as the opening balances. You cannot automate like that. For the opening balances, you need to enter manually. That's mandatory.
Okay.
Manually, it is not automatic.
So that even the purchasing team, because this generally it's done by the purchasing team, so they should know that what main account need to be entered for a movement journal.
So this is purchase team will not enter anything. This is only whenever you are going to go live. Suppose the application is going live from July 1st. July 1st it is going live. Then 30th June, whatever the stock available in the previous application, means maybe the client is using, suppose they're using Tally or Focus or Wings, some other application they are using, and that it is 30th June, whatever the stock it is available, that stock they need to enter. This is only one-time job in a.
Okay. So it is not like a journal adjustment.
No.
Okay,
No,
thank you.
it is not adjustment. It is opening stock entry.
Okay, thank you.
Adjustments, this is another screen. So if you go here, that is adjustments is second one actually. For that it is not required. You need not to enter anything. So this is adjustments.
Okay.
In that you are not going to enter any account number. It is automatically mapped from the system. In the item group or postings, whatever you have mapped, that will populate automatically. For that, you need not to enter anything. Only for movement journal. Got it?
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So you will understand in detail discussion about this journals. Movement journal is for opening stock. This is for adjustment journals, and one more transfer journal. You will understand these things later. Okay, let me go back. So now on hand inventory is available. On-hand inventory is available, that physical inventory. Now we have created ordered quantity, ordered in on order 20, on order 20. Now I have entered in the sales order, delivery now 5 quantity. I'm dispatching only 5 quantity. So pick and pack tab, post packing slip. Okay, here escalation mark is coming. Don't click OK blindly. So you need to expand parameters. It is picked, it is showing. Picked means I have not done picking list and registration. So line details, it is empty. So here picked means generate picking list is the picked functionality, picking list and registration. So I have not done that one. Now I need to select delivered now. I need to select deliver now. So deliver now in the sales order, I have entered deliver now 5 quantity. Now it is coming automatically 5 quantity. Okay. Let me minimize a little bit so that it will be. So 5 quantity is showing. Okay. Click on OK. Immediately a warning message, a pop-up message is coming. You are about to post the document without printing it. Means if you are updating dispatch document material, that is packing slip, if you are doing the packing slip, you need to take a printout and you need to have 3 copies, 1 copy with your filing, 1 copy to the customer, 1 copy to the truck driver. Okay, along with the truck. So there are 3 documents will be generated, 3 copies at a time it will be generated. Now for this, because we are practicing, this is not required. I'm proceeding. Click OK. Now if you verify on hand inventory, if you refresh, this will become 995 and this will become 15. Look at this one. It is 995 because 5 dispatched from our premises. It may take 1 hour or 2 hours to the to reach the customer. It may be 1 day, it may be 2 days, depending upon the distance. Fine. Next day I'm just see, actually in real time scenario we will not send like this. If the customer is asking like first send me immediately 5 quantity, or sometimes I don't have stock, then I need to send whatever it is in my warehouse. Then I'm going to receive next maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will send remaining quantity. This is the situations. Okay, in real time business scenario, sometimes customer may ask like initially first send me only 5 quantity, because customer may not have space to keep this material. Washing machines, iron almaras, there is a big items, they may not have space, so they may not ask for all quantity. Otherwise you don't have stock to dispatch the material. That is the business cases. Fine. Next day, like customer asked one more 7 quantity, suppose. So I'm sending one more 7 quantity. I have entered deliver now 7, pick and pack tab, generate area page, post packing slip. Okay, here I'm selecting deliver now. So if you select deliver now, it will show you 7 quantity. If in case, if you select all, how many it will show? Can anyone expect?
15.
Yes. If you select picked quantity, we have not done picked quantity anything. Generate picking list we have not done. So picking list, so it is empty. And we are doing packing slip. We are doing packing slip. We cannot select packing slip quantity. Okay, like picked quantity and non-stocked products, we'll discuss this one later. So now we are selecting deliver now. Deliver now we are selecting. And usually in real-time scenario, you need to enable this one, print packing slip. So print packing slip means it is generating the packing slip. It may take 1 minute time. Let me do this one. Click OK. Now, even though it is throwing error message, what is this? You are posting the packing slip and printing to the screen only, not to the printer. It is, you are not taking a printout to the printer. It is giving a warning. In real-time scenario, as I told you, it is picking like printing of this document is mandatory in real-time scenario. That is the reason every time it is warning. It is warning. Okay, I'm clicking on yes. So it may take 1 minute time or 2 minutes time. Let it be generate. Okay, this is a packing slip printout, means dispatch document. So it may not be like customer may require modification. So with the help of developer, you need to do a modification. You need to do a custom modification. This report is generated in SSRS reports, SQL Server Reporting Services. The report is generated. Developer will modify as per the client requirement. This is one of the tasks. Okay, it is generated. Now packing slip is updated. So if you verify how many packing slips are created, means 2 packing slips. The first one is 5 quantity. So 20 quantity is the ordered quantity and delivered 5, remaining 15. Next, sorry, packing slip. Second one, go to lines. It is 15 quantity, 7 delivered, remaining quantity 8. Clear? Any questions? One is first packing slip, second one is, first one is 5 quantity, next one is 7 quantity. Okay, now I'm doing invoice. Generate area, invoice tab, generate area, invoice button. Okay, here you can select deliver now. Now deliver now, it is not there. Look at this one. Deliver now is a temporary. Let me cancel. Once it is packing slip is updated, this deliver now becomes 0. Nothing. Okay, it was disappear. Now I'm doing invoice, generate area page, invoice button. If you select deliver now, in case if you select deliver now, it is 0, empty, and it is escalation mark is showing clearly. Okay, if you select all, then it will show you entire 20 quantity. Otherwise, if you select picked quantity. I have not done picking list and registration, so it will be 0. And if I have done packing slip, so what is the quantity it will show? If I selected packing slip,
12.
12. The reason behind, I have dispatched 5, I have dispatched 7. Total it is 12 quantity, and it is showing multiple packing slips. Okay, both we can do packing slip. So if you don't want, you can click on select packing slip. It is showing both. One is 5 quantity, next one is 7 quantity. If you want to do invoicing for one, you can remove and you can do it. But in general, if I dispatch the material, I should not do delay for invoice generation. I should not delay invoice generation, because if you are doing delay in invoice generation, then you are going to lose money. Means payment will be delayed further. So as a best practice, it is better to dispatch at the, I mean to say, send the invoice copy to the customer at the earliest, so that due date will be starting from that day. Okay, so you can have options now. Select packing slip. Okay, and then click OK. So it is telling like you are about to post the document without printing. You are not taking a printout. Okay, no problem. In real-time scenario, it is must. You need to take a printout. Okay, so let me show the pictorial diagram. What we did it. Sales order, packing slip, and invoice. Okay, let me save this file. So here we have entered 20 quantity, sales order 20 quantity. Initially, I have generated 5 packing slip for 5. Next is 7. So sales order was split into 2 parts. This is called partial dispatch or partial delivery. And I did invoice for both together. This is one too many. This is many too. Many too. Okay. Next one is remaining 8 quantity. I'm dispatching. So you can do once again one more sales order, packing slip, and one more invoice. Okay, let me do remaining quantity. So once again pick and pack. So if you want now generate picking list, you can do it. Suppose I have already explained this one. Let me show you once again what is this process. Generate picking list means it is delivery boys. We are giving information to the delivery boys to pick the material. So if you remember, this is already covered. So picking list means here the warehouse. Picking list means we are giving a printout. Let me write down the what it is. Sales order process, sales order creation. This is received an order from the customer. Okay, packing slip means dispatch the material to the customer. Invoice means generate invoice. Generate invoice and send to the customer. Here financial postings will be updated. Okay, in between, if you want, you can add 2 steps. Generate picking list. So here generate picking list means you are taking a printout and giving to delivery team. That is generate picking list. What it means, so here you are giving a printout. You are giving a printout to this boys delivery team. You are giving a printout to this team, and what they will do, they will pick the material from inside, from here, and they will keep outside of the dispatch area. So they will take into this one like this, and they will kept here outside area. Understood? Like this. If you are using that functionality, then it is picking list generation, generate picking list and picking list registration. Means pick the material from warehouse and kept at the dispatch area. Okay, fine. So let me show you that one. So here generate picking list, generate area page, generate picking list, and you are taking a printout, picking list printout, and click OK. And it is, you don't have printer, it is asking printer. Okay, screen it is going, no problem. So you need to you need to give this document to your delivery team. So this is internal document. So how many quantity, what is the item, how many quantity I need to dispatch, delivery team, it will be given. So what they will do, delivery teams, they will pick the material, they will keep at the dispatch area. That is picking list registration. So here it is showing activated, handling status activated. Now click on updates, update all, it is completed. Completed means the delivery boy has picked the material from warehouse and kept at the outbound area. Now if you verify on hand inventory, it will become 980 because first 5 dispatched, next 7 dispatched, now 20 not dispatched, but it was kept at the dispatch area. Okay, so picking list registration means deducted from the warehouse and kept at the dispatch area. So for the warehouse guy, it is not there in their warehouse. Okay, next post packing slip. Now if you select deliver now, it is empty. If you click OK, you will get error message. What is the error message? No lines for posting, because in the delivery now I have not entered anything. Then how it will show? So if I go to post packing slip, so deliver now, it will not work. You can select all means remaining 8 quantity, it will show you 8 quantity, that is fine. Otherwise you can select picked quantity. So if you select picked quantity, how many it will show you?
8 quantity.
8 quantity, because we did picking list registration. Delivery boy is already picked how many? 8. That we are going to do packing slip. Packing slip means dispatching the material. Next, within packing slip you cannot select packing slip. So this we'll discuss later. So understood these three? Deliver now, all, pick. Okay, I'm selecting picked one. Click OK. Once again it will give you a warning message. You are not taking a printout. You are selecting only screen. No problem. I'm clicking OK. So close. Now it is disabled all. Out of 20, all 20 it is packing slip is updated, so it will not allow you to do once again generate packing slip. Packing slip function, it is not there. Now go to invoice. So here already invoice it is happened for 12 quantity. If you verify the here, if you verify inside vendor invoice, it will show you the line details. 12 quantity is updated. Okay, fine. Now I'm closing. So now I'm generating invoice for remaining. I'm clicking on invoice. So if you select deliver now, it will be blank. Error once again, blank and escalation mark. If you select all, it will show you remaining 8 quantity, whatever it is there, it will show you. Perfect, you can post it. If you select picked quantity, it will be empty. It will be empty. And if you select packing slip, it will show you I have done packing slip for 8 quantity. It will show you that 8 quantity. Whatever we did it packing slip, that it is showing. So picked quantity and non-stacked product means what is this? You will understand later. Non-stacked product. What exactly the meaning of product and the non-stacked product, I will discuss with you. Now click on OK. So click on OK. So operation complete. So now no more invoices. It is not asking for any invoices to generate. Understood? Any questions here? Are you able to follow? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so from Monday onwards, whoever is paid fee only will be available in the group. Okay, and one more thing I'm telling you, like whoever is joined for like 2 days late, 3 days late, so you will get video recording sessions. So this weekend you can go through my video recording sessions. You need to practice with the system. So majorly I have discussed for this like the last 7-8 sessions, whatever it is there, 6-7 sessions, whatever it has happened. All these sessions are sales order invoice, purchase order invoice, in different combinations, different options, and on-hand inventory, how it is changing, the combinations I have explained. Okay, so let me show you how to create an customer or vendor. So 5 transactions you need to learn: purchase order process, sales order process. These are the 2 transactions, and 3 masters: released product, customer master, vendor master, customer and vendor. So let me show you how to create a customer and how to create a vendor. So sales and marketing, very simple one only. Sales and marketing, collapse all customers, so click on new. Here don't select from the drop down. People are doing mistake like select from the drop down. No, you need to enter what is the customer account number. Otherwise there is a automatic number sequence. So here while creating, it will create automatic, it will show you number sequence automatically. So in the number sequence, let me show you accounts receivable. You are going to learn number sequences in later in detail. Setup, accounts receivable parameters. Okay, here number sequences. In this, if you go inside number sequence, currently it was mapped manual. Look at this one, scroll down. It is mapped manual. Suppose if you remove this one and save it, then automatic number sequence, then we can go to once again sales and marketing, customers, all customers. So click on new button, then you can enter the customer name. Suppose Rama Enterprises. Okay, you can enter name. Code is coming automatically because it is a continuous number, and otherwise you need to enter manually, which is not exist. Suppose US001 is there. If you are trying to create one more, it will not allow you because this is unique. Code is unique always. Fine, I have entered. It is automatically number is coming 001, and Rama Enterprise I have entered the name, and when customer group is must, you need to map customer group from the drop down. You need to select. Okay, and the terms of payment, it is coming from customer group. In the customer group, it was mapped terms of payment. That is the reason it is coming. So what is this terms of payment means? It is a part of finance. Okay, then if you want mode of delivery, you can select mode of delivery like by road or whatever it may be, truck or whatever it may be. You can select how you are dispatching the material and click save. So address also important. Customer address also it is important. You need to fill it as per the requirement, and you can click on save or save and open. You can use this one, save and open or save, either one you can use it. This is customer creation. In the same manner, vendor creation also, it is in procurement and sourcing module. Collapse all vendors, you can click on new. If it is a manual setup, it will ask you to enter number. I'm entering 1005, and I'm entering suppose Raghu Automobiles. Okay, group you need to select from the drop down. and save. Okay, simple customer creation, vendor creation is not a complex. How to create it is we learn. So these 5 you need to practice. This weekend, please go through my video recording sessions this weekend. I hope everyone, majority people got installed application in your laptops. If not, you can use this link, temporary link, lab. I have already shared in the WhatsApp group. So using that one, you need to practice. Okay, fine. Any more questions, team? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So it is
Hello.
now. Yeah, yes, please.
Sir, we are using movement journal instead of at the first time at the time of creating sales order. We don't have online inventory.
Yeah.
You are using movement journal because why you don't use direct delivery process?
Yeah. What is your question? I did not get you. Yeah.
My question is, if you are using movement journal in sales order,
No, I'm not
we have
using in.
also cost
I'm not using in
to
sales.
direct delivery.
See, I'm not using in sales order. I'm creating on-hand inventory. Yes, tell me.
Yes.
Yeah. To get on-hand inventory, there are 2 options. One is you are purchasing, or whenever you are opening the stock at that time, you are using that one. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Because whenever you are implementing this application, at that time the opening stock will be there. That opening stock will be entered in the movement journal. That's what I did it. Got it? Is it clear? Any questions in your mind?
Clear, sir. No.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. So if no more questions, you can wind up the session. We'll connect once again on Monday. Okay, see you all. Bye bye.